सबका साथ, सबका विकास और जिन्होंने बंगाल को लूटा है, सबका हिसाब होगा। हमें आशीर्वाद दीजिए, अपना वोट दीजिए। हम आपको टीएमसी से आजादी दिलाएंगे। झालमुरी मैंने खाई, लेकिन झाल टीएमसी को लगी है।
90 লক্ষ লোকের নাম কেটেছো, তা সত্ত্বেও দেখো যারা ভোট দিত না তারাও আজকে ভোট দিতে রাস্তায় নেমেছে। আর ওই ভোটে আমরাই জিতবো, অন্য কেউ নয়। 4 तारीख का बाद ये लोग वापस जाएंगे, तब आप लोग तो इधर में रहेंगे।
খেলা যখন আজকে ওরা শুরু করেছে মিতালির উপর আক্রমণ করে, ফিনিশিংটা আমি করব, শেষটা আমি করব 4 তারিখ, কথা দিয়ে যাই।
अगर नरेंद्र मोदी जी भ्रष्टाचार करते हैं तो ममता जी भी उनसे कम नहीं है। ईडी ने 55 घंटे मेरा इंटेरोगेशन किया। ममता जी का ईडी ने कितना इंटेरोगेशन किया है वो जानते हैं कि असली लड़ाई तृणमूल से नहीं है, असली लड़ाई कांग्रेस पार्टी से है।
अगर बीजेपी के लोग महिलाओं पर अत्याचार करते हैं, रेप केसेस होते हैं, लोगों पर कोई एक्शन नहीं लिया जाता, वही काम ममता जी यहाँ करती है।
पूरे देश की आर्मी भेज दी उन्होंने बंगाल के अंदर। ये बंगाल के ऊपर हमला है, बंगाली संस्कृति के ऊपर हमला है, बंगाली अस्मिता के ऊपर, इज्जत के ऊपर हमला है।
वैगनार में आए और सीधे शीश महल के पार्किंग लॉट में चले गए। जो शीला जी ने इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बनाया था, सड़कें बनाई थी, पुल बनाए थे, उस सब को इन्होंने खत्म कर दिया है।
Viewers, good evening. Thank you for joining us on India Upfront. This is Times Now, your election destination, India's election headquarters. Bengal is being talked about as much as any other state in the past has. But what stands out about Bengal is the contest there. BJP trying for its first term, Mamata Banerjee trying for a fourth. I'll keep it simple. We have a brilliant panel. Let me quickly go through the panel. Sanju Verma, the national spokesperson of the BJP, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, Harshvardhan Tripathi ji, JVC Sriram, our strategist, pollster, Rashid Kidwai, Sabah Naqvi, Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji, Harish Mohammad Ibrahim, Niladri Bhattacharya, 9 people. So without wasting any time, let's look at the numbers from Bengal, the poll of polls on your screen. JVC, take us through the numbers. First yours, and you know, we have the poll of polls numbers. But what is your reading of the sentiment in Bengal?
See, phase 1 has clearly belonged to BJP. They're getting close to around 90 to 100 seats. And in the phase 2, the data which we have collected as on 5 p.m., we have released the data. We need to look into the data probably by tomorrow. We'll have to sanitize some of the data. And then we'll be in a position to confirm these numbers or probably change our numbers also. But phase 1 momentum, phase 1's anger against Mamata government and TMC, and fear was missing, fear is gone. If that had continued, then probably we are going to see something very similar to what we have shown as far as phase 2 is concerned.
And if your numbers don't hold, what would you blame?
See, in Bengal, there are 2 things which you need to keep in mind. In Bengal, as far as phase 2 is concerned, in the morning, when I was coming to the studio, I was told by many of the surveyors that people are not willing to disclose. Over 50% of them were not willing to disclose. They're not saying. And that is a big factor. Not saying because of TMC fear, not saying because paramilitary forces are there. I don't know, because I'm not on the ground today. I'm in the studio today. So I will not be in a position to make that judgment. But this is the common message which I got from my researchers.
Okay, let me ask you, one simple question. Were you under pressure, fear? That's the word in currency.
Why? What for?
Giving these numbers?
Why? See, at the end of the day...
No, the fear of performance, you're not from any party.
Absolutely no. Pranesh, there is no fear of performance. Okay, a cephalogist can succeed, a cephalogist can fail. Okay, in Bihar, I said if you cross 157, 205 is the limit. Delhi, there was pressure from everybody, but still I went ahead with my numbers. Maharashtra, So there is no pressure. What we hear from the people, what we see, that is what we basically analyze and put it together.
Okay, it's a tight fight. Sanju Verma, will this be the first for the BJP in West Bengal?
You know, Pranesh, you can accuse me of being super optimistic, but I will just say this. BJP is not only going to win West Bengal, but it will be a massive landslide. The TMC will be obliterated. Mark my words, the 29th of April today on your show, I'm saying TMC will be wiped out. And all these TMC acolytes of Mamata Banerjee, you know, these Mahua Moitra types and your Derek O'Brien types. Derek O'Brien cannot even win a society election. And he's saying, will Narendra resign if the TMC comes back to power? आपकी औकात क्या है डेरेक ओब्रायन? ही इज नरेंद्र मोदी जी. कोई आपके ये स्कूल के बड्डी नहीं है जो नरेंद्र विल यू रिजाइन. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू वन थिंग. प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी को जिसने चुनौती दी है, लुक एट वेयर दे स्टैंड टुडे. दिस मैन कॉल्ड अरविंद केजरीवाल कॉल्ड प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी अ कावर्ड एंड अ साइकोपैथ. आज उसकी पूरी पार्टी ने बगावत कर दी है. सो द प्रीकर्सर ऑफ थिंग्स टू कम कैन बी सीन फ्रॉम द मैसिव वोटर टर्नआउट. व्हेन यू हैव अ 93% वोटर टर्नआउट, it means status quo is no longer kosher.
You know,
it means
Sanju Verma, no, 1 minute. That is conventional wisdom, but there have been exceptions. Bihar में क्या हुआ था, मैम? महाराष्ट्र में क्या हुआ था? That day you were saying pro-incumbency. यहाँ पे भी हो सकता है?
I will answer that. That's a very interesting question. मैंने पहले भी ये कहा है and I will reinforce this. महाराष्ट्र लोकसभा इलेक्शंस में बीजेपी का परफॉर्मेंस लेफ्ट अ लॉट टू बी डिजायर्ड. वोटर टर्नआउट कितना था लोकसभा 2024 में महाराष्ट्र से? 54.3%. Within a few months in October 2024, you had assembly elections in Maharashtra. The voter turnout was 67.9, the highest in 3 decades in Maharashtra. And BJP had a clean sweep. The NDA had a clean sweep in Maharashtra with BJP's own strike rate, 91%. The best ever by any government.
All I'm saying is that there has been, no, 1 minute, ma'am, there has been a pro-incumbency vote. So, you know, how can you be so sure? It can go either way.
Pranesh, pro-incumbency at the cost of, you know, somebody telling me, oh, you're being a cheerleader for Narendra Modi. Pro-incumbency is a concept. I repeat, pro-incumbency is a concept which is very, very specific to Narendra Modi, very, very specific to BJP. In the case of Mamata Banerjee, it is classic anti-incumbency because what is her track record? Why is nobody talking about the fact that law and order की धज्जियां उड़ गई हैं Mamata Banerjee के तहत? Why is nobody talking about the fact that 40 lakh youngsters had to leave West Bengal? Why is nobody talking about the fact that 5 lakh tea gardens were
Okay,
shut
ma'am,
down?
we will see what happens on result day. Just wanted to... Yes, sir.
Not implemented in
Period is over and people have given their verdict. There are a lot of, you know, pro-incumbency stances are there. Not only Mamata Banerjee, Pinarayi Vijayan had also won. And in Madhya Pradesh also the BJP had won. So pro-incumbency is also a factor. So there is no, you know, set rule that a particular party with anti-incumbency or pro-incumbency will win. It depends upon, you know, people to state to state.
Sabha Naqvi.
I mean, let's wait till the 4th. Let's not shout and abuse people. I don't want to get into people abusing each other. Let's wait for the result and let's see, you know.
हर्षवर्धन जी, बंगाल के जो पोल ऑफ पोल नंबर्स हैं, टाइट फाइट है. जेवीसी कह रहे हैं दैट बीजेपी को एज है, लेकिन आप अगर वो इट इज अ टाइट फाइट.
नहीं, देखिए जेवीसी का जो पोल है इस नंबर पर मैं इसलिए कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करूंगा कि कोई भी पोलस्टर या सेफोलॉजिस्ट जब ऐसे नंबर देता है कि दोनों की सरकार बन जाती है तो मैं ऐसे पोल्स पर बात नहीं करता हूं, क्योंकि इसमें क्या बात करना, दोनों को ही सरकार बना रहे हैं. जेवीसी इस वाले को भी कहेंगे कि हमारा हो गया, इस वाले को भी कहेंगे कि हमारा हो गया.
भय मुक्त हुआ नहीं अभी.
नहीं, मैं इसीलिए कह रहा हूं क्योंकि जेवीसी का पोल ऐसा, हालांकि ऐसा होता नहीं, क्यों इस बार इन्होंने ऐसा किया, अब इनको ऐसा दिख रहा होगा. लेकिन पश्चिम बंगाल में ममता बनर्जी के फेस को, ममता बनर्जी की एक्टिविटीज को, ममता बनर्जी के रिस्पांस को, उसको अगर आप रीड करें तो बहुत आसानी से समझ में आ जाता है कि ये पूरी तरह से ममता बनर्जी के हाथ से निकला हुआ चुनाव. नंबर को लेकर डिबेट हो सकती है कि कितना होगा, लेकिन मैं आज जब दोनों फेजेस का जो कहें कि वोटिंग हो चुकी है, बीजेपी क्लियर कट मेजॉरिटी के साथ सरकार बनाएगी ऐसा बहुत स्पष्ट दिखता है. और प्रो इनकम्बेंसी के ढेर सारे उदाहरण है, लेकिन बंगाल को नहीं कहना चाहिए. बंगाल पूरी तरह से गुंडागर्दी, हत्या, हिंसा और सामान्य लोगों के जो मताधिकार हैं वो भी उपयोग न कर पाए, वो राज्य है। इसलिए उसकी प्रो इनकम्बेंसी ने कहा। उसके अलावा तो नवीन पटनायक की प्रो इनकम्बेंसी थी, बहुत लोगों की थी।
मिस्टर भट्टाचार्य बोलेंगे अगर उनको काउंटर करना होगा संजू वर्मा को, ये तो हमने देखा है, आपने सुन लिया, एग्जांपल्स और भी हैं, तो इन प्रिंसिपल तो हो सकता है। डॉक्टर रंगनाथन, बंगाल में आपके सामने 4-5 बिस्किट है, सेलिब्रेटिंग ऑलरेडी।
मैं ये क्लैरिफाई कर दूं, ये राहुल गांधी ने बिस्किट नहीं दिए मुझे। बट देखिए, 2-3 चीजें हैं। First of all, good evening, Pranesh, and good evening to my fellow panelists and your viewers. I don't know why people keep on berating the exit polls. They are absolutely bang on. Everyone's giving 0 to Rahul Gandhi. मतलब इसमें मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा प्रॉब्लम क्या है। सब एकदम ठीक है। But to be, one second, yeah, you had your chance. Yeah, take it in the lighter note.
No, I'm also taking it in lighter note. Let's have the joke on everyone.
अरे भाई, of course.
400 par was also.
All right, you have yours.
आप बिस्किट शेयर नहीं करेंगे तो यही होगा।
क्या? Let's share the biscuits. Let's share the biscuits.
वो भी exit poll था।
Look, of course, look. The fact of the matter is the following: if BJP that got 2 seats 10 years ago is slated to get 120, I'm going to the lower figure, then even I am suspecting these exit polls, because अगर कोई 120 तक बीजेपी आ रही है, इसका मतलब लैंडस्लाइड हो रहा है। ये मेरा असेसमेंट है। और एग्जिट पोल से पहले मैंने कहा था, मैंने प्रेडिक्शन जब पूछा था झाका ने, आई सेड आई प्रेडिक्ट 2 slides and 2 landslides. The 2 slides were DMK and the left in Kerala. They would still make it, but they would slide. And 2 landslides were Assam, and I said Bengal. I am sticking my neck out and saying that this is possibly going to be the...
Well, we'll come back to you on the 4th when the results are out. Mr. Bhattacharya.
See, Pranesh, these polls, let's not speak about these numbers.
No, forget the polls. What is your number, if you had to give a number?
I see, if you have to give a number, then you have to analyze the whole election. You have to break Bengal into 3 parts. The upper part, that is the North Bengal, which has been the bastion for BJP. BJP has been doing very well. Then you have to come down to Central Bengal, from Malda, Dinajpur till Bardhaman. That is what we call in Bengal is the Rar Bangla. There, this time, the TMC, it was the bastion of TMC, but TMC will lose some place there. The left and the Congress may do very little bit good there. And then let's come to the last part of Bengal, that is the Southern Bengal, which is absolutely the bastion of TMC. So for BJP, see, people say that 3% to 42% vote swing, they have got the rise of BJP. But you have to understand that was because of the erosion of the left votes, which is not going to happen in this election. BJP's rise from, people say 3% vote to, we had 2 seats, now we were 77. That was because of the rise from the left votes. This time the left is consolidating itself, left will keep its votes. Therefore, I feel the numbers given by this people's vote.
Sir, you've told me the story, give me the number. Kuch to bataiye.
I'm telling you the numbers, the people's that exit poll.
Can I just ask a counter question to Dada?
It comes to more or less kind of number.
Dada, now you know.
I tell you,
now you know. Just 5 seconds.
Definitely a close
Dada,
fight.
just 5 seconds, because you had a very interesting take on it. When you say the left votes were transferred en masse to BJP, you know very well as I do that ideologically left and Trinamool are bedfellows as completely polar opposites to BJP. Now, why did the left vote turn en masse to BJP?
I'm telling you, the left, Dr. Ranganathan, you're correct, but only thing left and Trinamool are not bedfellows. The Trinamool fought the left and then came to power. The problem was...
And that won't happen now?
The problem was, people of Bengal in 2016, 2019, 2021 felt that there was no other alternative, the left voters. And therefore, they gravitated toward the BJP, which will not happen in this election.
Is this the right reading, Mr. Kidwai?
I think Bengal needs a lot of analysis. One, we must look at it. What is it that, making people, change? We have seen this, that, suppose TVK is a factor, is a, fresh face, new face, somebody who brings a lot of heft. In Bengal, we don't have. We have the same person who was there in 2021, that being Shubhendu Adhikari. And there are no issue that is there. Now, if you look at the demography, there a lot of weightage has been given to demography, that Hindu, Bhai. If that was the case, Himachal Pradesh, the BJP would have never lost power. because Himachal Pradesh has 96% of Hindu population. So what I'm saying is demography is very complex. If you look at the Hindu population of Bengal, it is very diverse. And Mamata Banerjee is being holding on to 40% of Hindu votes. Now, all 40% if they go away, then this is something which will be quite, bizarre and outstanding.
Okay, and you know, the murmurs already of vote chori, etc., voter deletion that the BJP used.
Voter deletions happen.
That explains the percentage. And Sabha has very rightly pointed out that voter deletion, we cannot, gloat over it that so many people, so many names were removed. I mean, I think it's very shameful in a participating democracy that so many names were removed. And look at the tribunal which had, that cleared 27 lakh votes, and out of some 1,400, 1,500 people were able to cast their vote. So it's not about who wins or who loses.
90%,
yeah, but sir, voter deletion is one way of looking at it. The other is that it's a voter roll cleanup. Cleanup.
But it did happen.
At what cost?
No, look, I mean, just if you're saying that they voted for in Lok Sabha, so that means that the Lok Sabha election should be considered null and void. Because
but sir, after the process, comes into effect, you can't go back and then use this argument.
Tell me an answer. Why we don't have a, a single voter list? Why do we have a, assembly voter list different, municipal election voter list different, Lok Sabha voter list different?
Okay, so you want a policy change. That's a separate debate, but I am asking upon the larger principle. This was a voter cleanup.
No, it was
dead voters, bogus voters.
How was it a cleanup? That 64 presiding officers who were supervising this election, they were there. Their name was not there.
Their names are not there. I mean, there were bizarre things that happened.
हर्षवर्धन जी, ये डिबेट एंडलेस है और ये 4 तारीख के बियॉन्ड भी जाएगी. लोग कहेंगे कि देखिए वोटर चोरी की वजह से ये पार्टी जीत गई या हार गई.
वोट चोरी को आप मैंडेट से मत लिंक करिए.
अगर तृणमूल जीतती है तो नहीं.
Let's imagine a landslide for the TMC. Even then the voter deletion is a very important issue. Please don't try and very stupidly, like as if we cannot carry two complex thoughts in our mind. Sorry, I don't mean it at you. The argument is that, अरे ये हो गया तो ये नहीं हो सकता. ऐसा नहीं है. वो हुआ और फिर भी कुछ हो सकता है.
वोटर चोरी भी हो गई, टीएमसी जीत भी गई और बीजेपी हार भी गई.
वो कॉम्प्लेक्स थॉट्स होते हैं जब इंटेलिजेंट एनालिसिस करते हैं.
इंटेलिजेंट एनालिसिस. हर्षवर्धन जी
एक्चुअली
संभाल के बोलिए.
असल मुश्किल यही है जब सुपर इंटेलिजेंट एनालिसिस होता है तभी ये हो सकता है. क्योंकि आप ये कहेंगे कि अभी चूंकि हो रहा है, नरेंद्र मोदी के सत्ता में रहते ये सब कुछ हो रहा है, तो पैमाने भी नहीं आ जाते. पहली बात तो आइडियली सभा मैंने आपके बीच में बात नहीं की. आप ये अच्छा नहीं लगता. आप ये बड़ी खराब आदत है आपकी. प्लीज. जब इसके पहले जो जितने आप चाहे उसको वोटर प्यूरिफिकेशन कह लीजिए, एसआईआर कह लीजिए, डिलीशन कह लीजिए, एडिशन कह लीजिए, जो भी कह लीजिए, क्या इसके पहले नहीं होता था? इलेक्शन कमीशन ने पिछले कुछ सालों में इतने रेडिकल रिफॉर्म्स किए हैं. एक बार वोटर लिस्ट में आप नाम जाते थे, अभी साल में कई बार जा सकते हैं. आप 18+ के होते हैं, आपको अधिकार मिल जाता है. आप जितने आपको लगता था 1500 लोग जाते हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल हो जाती है, बूथ में 1200 लोग रह गए. यानी ऐसे ढेर सारे रेडिकल रिफॉर्म हुए, लेकिन चुनाव आयोग की प्रशंसा मैंने नहीं सुनी. मैं पूरे इलेक्शन के दौरान डिबेट में हूं, एक खास तरह की सोच वाले लोग इलेक्शन कमीशन की बात ही नहीं कर रहे. हिंसा जहां का बेसिक था कि भैया प्री पोल होगा, पोस्ट पोल होगा, चुनाव करते होगा, वोट मांगते होगा, घर में घुसकर होगा, घर के बाद होगा, खेला होवे के कह के बम उछाल दिया जाएगा, कोई बात ही नहीं कर रहा है. केजे राव की प्रशंसा भी नहीं हुई थी 2005 में बिहार इलेक्शन. तब भी लालू यादव कहते थे कि अरे ये आ गया है, दिल्ली से बैठा है, होटल में बैठा है, ये कर देंगे, वो कर देंगे. यही कहा जा रहा है ज्ञानेश कुमार के लिए. और मैं इसीलिए कह रहा हूं ये वोटर प्योरिफिकेशन है. और अगर हम ये कह रहे हैं कि 2024 का चुनाव, तो 2002 की वोटर लिस्ट के पहले के सारे चुनाव क्या खत्म कर दें, उसको अवैध मान लें, इलीगल मान लें, कोई तो लॉजिक चलेगा ना. और यहां पर जो कुछ हुआ है, जरा सोचिए, आज तक देश में एक स्टेट मशीनरी नहीं हुई, एक चीफ मिनिस्टर नहीं हुआ जिसने कहा कि हम अपने ऑफिसर नहीं देंगे. 700 जुडिशियल ऑफिसर्स को रिव्यू के लिए ड्यूटी पे लगाना पड़ा, और उसके बाद भी उनकी जान पे बनाई. फिर भी हम उसी तरह से प्लेन वनीला एनालिसिस कर रहे हैं कि नहीं ये होगा तो होगा. और फिर मैं कह रहा हूं, जैसे बी टीम नहीं होती पॉलिटिक्स में, बार बार कहता हूं, जब कोई किसी पार्टी को बी टीम कहता है तो वो कोई न कोई उसके दिमाग में किसी पार्टी के लिए कुछ रहता है, इसलिए वो बी टीम कहता है. दूसरा, किसी का वोट नहीं होता है भाई. डेमोक्रेसी में कोई ठेकेदारी थोड़ी ना. एक लेफ्ट का वोट था, भाजपा को मिल गया, तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी को किसका किसका वोट मिल रहा है, किन किन राज्यों में? समाजवादी पार्टी का मिल रहा है, बहुजन समाज पार्टी का मिल रहा है, अलग अलग राज्यों में कांग्रेस को किसका. कम से कम हम लोग एनालिसिस करें तो इसका वोटर चला गया, मैं नहीं मानता हूं. एक कॉन्शियस माइंड होता है, वो तय करता है कि ये वाली सत्ता ठीक नहीं, मुखाड़ फेंकेंगे. ये डेमोक्रेसी
नहीं. बिल्कुल ठीक बोला हर्ष जी ने. और मैं एक चीज ऐड करना चाहूंगा. देखिए, लोग कह रहे हैं कि 2024 का फिर जो इलेक्शन हुए वो नल एंड वॉइड कर दें। अगर आप 2 साल बाद फिर एसआईआर कराएंगे ना, तो भी आपको 30-40 लाख हटाने पड़ेंगे, क्योंकि पीपल डाई, पीपल आर मिसिंग। आप इसी एसआईआर में देख लीजिए, 24 लाख आर डेड, 20 लाख हैव माइग्रेटेड, 20 lakhs are missing, 30 lakhs. So voters are added. 8 lakhs have been added in Bengal, 15 lakhs have been added in Tamil Nadu. This, as correctly said by Harshvardhan.
They have no problems with the addition, Dr.
And secondly, the problem, just to end on that, Dada. Just to one second, Sabha, please don't interrupt. You already did.
No, he said it. So
The most important fact is this: despite SIR, will at least now people congratulate the EC, because in the Bengal phase 1, phase 2, more people have voted than they voted 5 years ago.
I don't think, you know, anyone, I don't think, you know, anyone will, at least from the opposition, is going to congratulate, because they believe, firmly believe,
I admire it.
Election Commission is an ally of the Bharatiya Janata Party.
He did. Despite being from TMC, Dada did.
My point is the process is flawed.
Yes.
Point is the process is flawed. We are not against the SIR.
Okay, sir. On that point, if you just hear me out, sir. If you think the process is flawed,
Supreme Court is overlooking the process.
The problem is here the EC is deciding who is a citizen of the country. EC cannot decide the citizenship of the country. Here EC is deciding who is a citizen. That is very difficult.
No, 1 minute. Mr. Bhattacharya, please. Let's be responsible in our commentary. This is nothing to do with citizenship. But on the point that you made, that, you know, what was it? That EC is deciding? No. What did you say before that?
Process is flawed.
The process.
Supreme Court is looking at the process.
Yeah, if the process is flawed, it can hurt the BJP also.
The Supreme Court has declared
not hurt the BJP.
okay.
See, Pranesh, in SIR, even BJP's votes have got defeated.
Is that okay? It's not okay.
Sir, is it a, you know, wrong question to ask if the process is flawed? It can also hurt the BJP. How do you know
it can
the
harm
people
anyone, Pranesh? It can harm anyone. That is
but the BJP is not saying that, you know,
can
vote
harm
chori, voter
anyone. That
deletion.
is what we are saying. That you have a process which is perfect or correct.
Incompetence cannot be complemented. Simple. If 27 lakh people are, you know, they were supposed to be, you know, their voting rights were to be decided by a tribunal, and only 1,400, it's a matter of great shame. Regardless of the verdict. Whoever wins or whoever loses,
and, I suppose
that's altogether different.
You might have seen a national daily which carried pictures of officers who are overseeing the elections whose names were
That's
deleted.
okay, ma'am. I have seen no national daily with pictures of 27 lakh people whose, you know, names were deleted. If you have seen...
I'm giving you the front page of a paper day before yesterday.
Even in
so to imagine that the voter is not being... That is the election commission choosing the voter? That is the argument that I put forward.
How will the election commission choose the voter, ma'am? Even if one were to agree with the argument, Harish Mohammad Ibrahim, is there a way to find out which person...
If my name is deleted and do good stories, you will find it.
No, but if my name is... a crude example. If my name is deleted, how can... If you are, you know, someone from the EC, how will you know, where am I voting?
Have you understood logical discrepancy? Explain it to us. Have you understood how that was done?
Process, there are flaws.
No.
But that does not mean
have you understood
that the exercise is compromised.
Like I asked him, tell us who's winning the CPM seat. Please explain logical discrepancy to me as you understand it as
I
an
am
anchor.
Stupid, okay?
No, you're not. You're very bright.
No, 1 minute.
I'm sure you know exactly what you want to say.
Are you saying that the Supreme Court is not...
The Supreme Court is still hearing the matter.
Yeah, but the Supreme Court hasn't stopped it, ma'am.
बिहार इलेक्शन के समय सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा आप लोगों को लेकर हमारे सामने आइए, पूरे एसआईआर प्रोसेस को हम कैंसिल कर देंगे। कहां चले गए थे वो लोग? ये जितने लोग गए थे, टीवी की डिबेट से डिसाइड होगा क्या? टीवी की डिबेट से डिसाइड होगा क्या कि प्रोसेस फ्लॉड है या नहीं है? हमारे मन में आ गया, हमारे मन की चीजें नहीं हो रही, इस तरह की बात टीवी पे हो सकती। सुप्रीम कोर्ट को आज आप अंडरमाइन कर रहे हैं। आपको जुडिशियल प्रोसेस पे भरोसा नहीं है। बिहार के इलेक्शन के पहले, बिहार के इलेक्शन के बीच में राहुल गांधी ने जिसका नाम हाथ उठा के खड़ा किया कि ये देखो गड़बड़ था, पता चला वो सब राहुल गांधी गड़बड़, और उसके बाद भी आप कह रहे हैं कि नहीं सुप्रीम कोर्ट मॉनिटर्ड है फिर भी गड़बड़ है। ये कैसे हो सकता है?
सुप्रीम कोर्ट का
यानी कोई भी प्रोसेस, कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूशन करेगा तो गड़बड़ है क्योंकि इस समय हो रहा है। कमाल का मतलब सुपर इंटेलिजेंस।
या मैम
सवाल तो पूछ ही सकते हैं।
नहीं, सवाल तो पूछ सकते हैं मिस्टर भट्टाचार्य।
सवाल तो पूछ रहे हैं।
You are asking super intelligent question.
No problem. You can ask question. Question is super intelligent or super stupid. What is the question?
No, but super intelligent.
Anyway, I'm sure Indian Express ने बकवास स्टोरी की है और सब ने ये जो रिपोर्टर्स जो जमीन पे असल में गए जिन्होंने इंटरव्यूज किया वो सब ठीक है, आपके एक पैनलिस्ट वो हमेशा बिल्कुल हरीश चंद्र वाला सब बोलते हैं।
हर्षवर्धन है।
कमाल है, मेरा नाम हर्षवर्धन त्रिपाठी है साहब। हम तो लंबे समय से
make a point. See, this exercise was supposed to have happened in 2003 also, when there was a BJP government.
हवा में नहीं हुआ है।
I was a reporter. Can you produce even one cutting where there was said that so many names were deleted? In 2003, it was not the dark ages. This SIR is supposed to have taken place then also by the same election commission. How many people's name were deleted? Was there any outrage? You can look at iSearch on all the newspapers. I could not find a single cutting to that effect. So there is, of course, overt politicization of this SIR.
Of course, there is over politicization. There's fear-mongering, abject fear-mongering going. Okay. Many people on the panel who haven't spoken. Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji, what is your sense of what we are discussing? The numbers in Bengal and the commentary around it. आपने सभा नटवी जी को भी सुना ही होगा.
नहीं, मैं पर्सनल नहीं बना रही, मैं
basically Pranesh, you see, Bengal is a very tough state to call. Whether it was in 2004 parliamentary election, 2009 parliamentary, 2019, 2021 or 2026 right now. And any pollster who is giving out the numbers will look like a fool on the 4th of May. You can't predict Bengal as of now. We are very slow to change. Point number one. Point number two out here is that I must congratulate Election Commission for the first time for having conducted a peaceful election throughout the state. I must congratulate. Why? Because no life was lost. It's a legacy that we have been carrying along from CPM's Harmat Bahini's times till the Trinamool Congress's time, that there were loss of lives, whether in Panchayat, whether in Assembly, whether in Lok Sabha elections. That's left one point. Also. Yeah, left also. But the point that you should understand out here, yeah, because of this presence. Now, let me finish, ma'am. I'll quickly finish. I'm speaking from a remote location. Please. The point here, because of this abundance of the central paramilitary forces, what happened was, some of the core voters of the political parties, they began to express their opinion. Like the Bharatiya Janata Party has got its own base of 30 to 35%. They have become vocal that there is a change in the air. But the ground situation that I have gone to my polling booth and I have seen false voting are still happening in the booths. There are man-to-man marking for the organizational strength, whichever political party has in that particular booth. I have seen with my eyes, I have caught at least 10 voters voting proxy votes.
Sir, if you saw man-to-man markings, you must, tell the high command of the Congress party that this is the level of preparation. I mean, less said the better about what the Congress is doing in West Bengal. You saw what Rahul Gandhi did, calling out Mamta Banerjee. But let me bring in Sanju Verma. Sanju Verma, you must have heard the analysis of Sabha Natwi in particular, apart from the others who are here. Do you agree when she says that voter deletion?
I would be horrified if Sanju Verma ever agreed with me. Yeah? It would be like a complete nightmare, but please.
Yes, Pranesh, the moment I stopped speaking, Sabha Naqvi said, let us not shout and let us not abuse. I want to tell Sabha Naqvi, when Mahua Moitra calls the election commissioner a thief, a BJP agent, Sabha Naqvi ke muh mein dahi jam jata hai. When Mahua Moitra, Mamta Banerjee, Abhishek Banerjee, Sayani Ghosh, they say CRPF, CAPF, CISF, Election Commission, Supreme Court, Kolkata High Court, ये सब बिके हुए हैं, ये बीजेपी के एजेंट हैं. People like Sabha Naqvi clap from the sidelines, saying वाह जी वाह, Mahua Moitra is speaking the brazen truth. But जब संजू वर्मा आकर इनको आईना दिखाती है, Sabha Naqvi says, let's not shout, let's not abuse. I will say what I need to say, Sabha Naqvi, and let me please keep quiet. Your time is done. Nobody really cares for you anymore.
No, let's not get personal. Sanju Verma, please. Let's keep it civil. Yes.
Let her do it.
Time on again.
Let us speak, please. One at a time.
Can I speak? SIR is a legitimate exercise. SIR is constitutionally mandated. wide Articles 324, 325 and 326 of the Constitution. ये पहले जो पूर्व CJI चंद्रचूड़ ने कहा, पूर्व CJI संजीव खन्ना ने कहा, और अब जो CJI हैं सूर्यकांत, उन्होंने भी दोहराया है. So
no, Sanju Verma, the question is, I think Rashid Kidwai ji is of the opinion that the exercise is flawed or compromised because of the number of deletions. जब कांग्रेस ने किया था तब इतने लोगों के नाम डिलीट नहीं किए थे.
वाजपेयी जी टाइम.
My last point is this. Gujarat में number of deletions wide SIR percentage wise was 15.28%. Tamil Nadu 15.85%. But lo behold, Uttar Pradesh was 18.71%. Uttar Pradesh में किसी ने रोना धोना नहीं किया. Even Tamil Nadu, which is ruled by the opposition, किसी ने रोना धोना नहीं किया. But Mamta Banerjee is rattled. Why? Because she can read the writing on the wall. And when we say Char Mai Mamta Gayi, this is not a hashtag. This is not a euphemism. This is not a platitude. The fact of the matter is, Mamta Banerjee's attitude देखिए. 1 minute. Attitude देखिए. RG का rape and murder. हुआ तो हुआ. She said South Kolkata Law College rape. हुआ तो हुआ.
Sanju, she got 33 lakh names back.
हुआ तो हुआ. Jalpaiguri rape. Mamta Banerjee said हुआ तो हुआ. Park Street rape. Mamta Banerjee said हुआ तो हुआ. A BJP worker was stripped in public there in North 24 Parganas.
All right.
Monologue.
All right.
Monologue.
Harish.
Yeah.
You know, she's saying voters were deleted in, bogus voters were deleted in Tamil Nadu. Is not such an issue.
No, when it comes to SIR is concerned, we are pretty much sure that the NDA want to press this SIR faction only after 2021 to a larger extent, that too where the opposition has been ruling. Because the 2021 election, which has given them a result of from 400 baar to a minority government, there where the 40 to 50 seats have been cut down from all these 5 states. So they want to make sure this exercise has been carried out in a much more larger extent to make sure these kind of voters, in some extent, they are claiming it to be a bogus voters. But coming to the Tamil Nadu factor,
if the DMK wins,
one second. Coming to the Tamil Nadu factor, let me complete. I haven't interrupted anyone. Coming to the Tamil Nadu factor, we were been already worth 6.29 crore voters by 2021. And now it has been deleted almost 77 lakh voters on the first revision, and the second re-revision, which has been added to almost 20 lakh voters back again with an addition formalities, and almost 57 lakh voters have been deleted, which we exercise as a DMK. We have a particular system more than the ECI. We have a booth-wise committee where 20 of them following each and every booth committee along with the ECI member. So we want to make sure to give a point. Tamil Nadu have made sure
Harish,
even
you are talking about deletions and additions. So, you know, how's the exercise then compromised? If there have been deletions...
I'm not getting into that factor because DMK had a foolproof mechanism where ECI can't even add or delete.
Okay, so then TMC must answer that their mechanism was not...
We have a problem.
TMC didn't direct DMK.
Pranesh, in Bengal we have a problem with the... Pranesh, we have a problem...
Let Mr. Bhattacharya answer, sir.
Pranesh,
you know that the DMK had a foolproof...
The logical discrepancy. We have a problem with the logical discrepancy. The reason being, in Bengal...
Can you explain one logical discrepancy? One.
I'll explain to you. I'll explain to you. In Bengal, a Banerjee sometimes writes Bandyopadhyay.
As Mamta.
Sharma can be written S-H-A-R-M-A, S-A-R-M-A.
Passport पे क्या दो नाम होते हैं?
Wait.
Does it have two passports?
We don't have
Sir.
Does it have two passports?
Sir.
Answer. Do you have two passports? You are a Banerjee. No, Pranesh, one second.
Let him...
No,
1 minute. Dr. Andar, here is discrepancy. Otherwise, he will say you did not hear his discrepancy.
He's my elder brother.
People don't have passport.
He's my elder brother.
Okay,
He's Banerjee. He's Banerjee.
I am Bhattacharya. I am safe because of that. I do not have...
Do you have two passports?
I can't...
You have two passports.
Hails from Tamil Nadu.
Do you?
Tamil Nadu is the only state where these kind of logical discrepancies don't have.
No, let him answer.
There is no caste name behind as a surname. You have to hail Tamil Nadu for a reason.
In Bengal, you asked for legacy documents like NRC in Assam.
Of course.
You asked, please bring my father's birth certificate, my mother's birth certificate. You did not ask that in other states. That is where the problem arose.
Yeah, sir, because in West Bengal, it's a border state. There is a problem of infiltration. You would agree.
You did not know no.
Then
You
tell me,
didn't want
Pradesh,
any
how many
certificate
included
in
with the
Assam.
ECI find out?
You didn't know.
You asked for my father's certificate, my
Okay.
father's
On
birth
that
certificate,
discrepancy that
my
you know,
mother's
because
birth
of the change
certificate.
in spelling, Dr.
Does the
Ranganathan,
Prime Minister have
scientist
his
हैं,
own
बताइए
father's and mother's
इसमें
birth
हेल्प कर
certificate?
दीजिए.
नहीं, मुझे सीधी सी एक बात बताइए. The SIR exercise was being conducted by EC in Tamil Nadu. It was conducted in Bihar. It was conducted in Bengal.
And in Uttar Pradesh. Where the state SIR was different to the central.
It helps everyone. तो सबके तरफ.
And
If
SIR,
you
they
follow
give an
that.
excuse stating that the NRC
They
has
give
been
different
completed, so
numbers.
they don't want to have an SIR in inclusion.
So just be, there's a
When
logical
you are saying,
discrepancy
when
in UP
you
also.
are saying that there is a logical discrepancy, it's been there for 6 months,
That's why
staring in
Rakesh
your
and
face.
Ross is-
Sabha, either you speak or I speak.
No,
Yeah, why do you keep up?
No,
Please don't
you do
that.
interrupt
No,
me
I
all
know.
the time. You interrupt
Now,
them.
Pranesh,
You
okay, I give
interrupted
I
me,
give my time as a respect
No, I'm
for
not
age
speaking, I'm
to
just
Sabha.
pointing out.
Respect
What
for
else
age.
can I do?
Age, not wisdom.
And wisdom. With,
Okay.
with whatever, yeah, please.
carry on speaking.
Can I answer Dada?
Please.
Let him
Can
speak.
I answer Dada? This Dada is talking about logical discrepancy.
Yes.
Are you, just say yes or no. Is this same logical discrepancy known or unknown to Supreme Court? Tell me. Tell me.
That is the reason. That is the reason Supreme Court gave an adjudication tribunal and this judicial officers.
Now, Pranesh,
And
are
then-
you please listening the same thing that I am also listening that is coming in my ears?
Absolutely.
The
What is the fact
insinuation
will
that
come?
is being made, the insinuation that is being made in Tamil Nadu, everything was perfect except that DMK infrastructure was so much better than TMC infrastructure that we didn't allow EC to cheat. We didn't allow EC to cheat.
We are more than an ECI.
You are more than EC.
Let me.
भाई, ये
हर्षवर्धन जी, मैं एक सभा नटवी जी से सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ.
It is not job of a political party to go for, enrollment or deletion. What is the constitutional provision? What is the powers of election commission? The election commission has just one task: to enroll legitimate voters and to ensure free and fair elections.
But
If
Mr.
they are not
Chidwai-
able to, how so many lakhs and crores of false or duplicate names are included? Who is responsible for it?
I'll tell you. What will the BLAs do, or what do they do?
No, don't
They
get
have-
into that. No, I am saying it is the sole responsibility of the election commission. It is the election commission's fault that so many wrong names or duplicate names or people who are dead or something. The government of India is funding election commission.
Yeah, but sir, on that, Mr. Chidwai.
Pranesh, ये देख.
Yeah.
Dead 24 lakhs. New voters 7 lakhs. Missing 20 lakhs. Duplicate 2 lakhs. Absent 13. ये तो उसमें नहीं आते. अब आप कह रहे हैं कि ये सब इंक्लूड करने चाहिए थे.
No, if they were
नहीं,
included.
tell me.
नहीं, आप मेरी बात समझिए. अगर उनका नाम इंक्लूड हुआ, किसकी गलती है?
गलती की बात ही नहीं है. 24 लाख का
अरे
डेड.
सर, अगर गलती है, I mean, should
भाई,
it
they are
not
no
be
longer
certified?
there.
वो तो
इलेक्शन
गलती.
कमीशन की है.
ये तो
वो तो ठीक है सर, रिव्यू भी तो होता है.
If I die today,
Review भी तो
why is
होता
it
है.
EC's mistake? Next time the SIR is done, my name would be not there.
I think you have no idea how election commission should
You have all the idea. भाई,
Okay.
STEM तो आप maths आपने पढ़ा, हमने तो.
Sabha Natwi ji.
It's not about science.
Okay, now 1 minute. Let me ask Sabha. Ma'am, what do you think happened in Bihar? Why did the opposition lose? Was it because of voter deletion, SIR? क्या हुआ था?
I think the opposition did a very shabby job in Bihar. If you read my columns, you would have seen that. And it became also the money that was given mid-election to women. It just picked up the pace. And
So it was not because of voter deletion and SIR.
No, in Bihar, it was the logical discrepancy is a new thing which has been unrolled, which has been rolled out for Bengal. In Assam, just 1 second, Assam, where everybody is sitting with documents because of the history of Assam, they didn't want anything. They didn't want to do SIR.
Okay, Harshvardhan
So
ji.
it is very politically targeted.
ये बंगाल में हो रहा है सिर्फ.
Logical discrepancy was only done for Bengal. It is not something I'm saying as an opinion, it's a fact. Which is why...
बिहार में,
Ma'am, even your opinions are fact. I am not...
I'm giving you the facts.
बिहार में सबसे पहले एसआईआर हुआ तो कहा गया कि नहीं ये तो हो ही नहीं पाएगा, इलेक्शन कमीशन इतना इक्विप्ड थोड़ी ना है. इलेक्शन कमीशन ने बीएलओ और बीएलए के नंबर दिए. सबसे ज्यादा बीएलए किसके थे आपको पता है? राष्ट्रीय जनता दल. सबसे ज्यादा बीएलए थे. उन्होंने जो गड़बड़ियां की, सुप्रीम कोर्ट में बाकायदा हियरिंग, अंत में फाइनल डिसीजन आया. जो लोग कह रहे थे गड़बड़ी हुई, वो एक भी गड़बड़ी सुप्रीम कोर्ट के सामने बता नहीं पाए. कोई ऐसा स्टेट नहीं जहां डिलीशन नहीं हुआ हो। उत्तर प्रदेश में खुद योगी आदित्यनाथ ने कहा कि हमारे वर्कर अगर नहीं तैयार होंगे तो हमारा नुकसान हो जाएगा। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? पॉलिटिकल प्रोसेस में पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को अवेयर होना पड़ता है और वोट जुड़वाने और कटवाने का काम पॉलिटिकल पार्टी आज से नहीं हमेशा करती रही है। जब एसआईआर होता है तो थोड़ा उसका प्रोसेस थोड़ा कड़ा हो जाता है।
संजू वर्मा,
उतने पेपर तो
you have the last word on the show. It's a catch-22 for the BJP. If things go in your favor, you will have to live with the tag of being vote chores. If it does not, you were just not good enough.
You know, Pranesh, I remember what Prime Minister Modi said on the floor of the Lok Sabha 3 years back while addressing the opposition. तुम्हारे पांव के नीचे जमीन नहीं है, लेकिन कमाल तो ये है तुम्हें यकीन नहीं है. The opposition has always been barking up the wrong tree. I fail to understand why is it that when we discuss West Bengal, every discussion boils down to SIR. Why are people not asking the fact that despite giving her 5,000 crores, Mamata Banerjee did not even set up 2 functional POCSO courts? Why are people not asking the fact that the pendency rate in sexual harassment cases in West Bengal is 98.7%? Why are people not asking the fact that the conviction rate in crimes against women in West Bengal is the lowest at 1.2%? Why are people not asking the fact that be it PM Kisan, PM Fasal Bima Yojana, Ayushman Bharat, Sukanya Samriddhi, Mamata Banerjee, simply driven by arrogance and hubris, refused to implement any welfare scheme which were initiated by the Modi government? And why are people not willing to understand that sometimes there is an inflection point? Bengal
we will see which way Bengal decides. That's the result day on May 4th. We will all be here, and I'm sure we will replay some of these clips, things that we've heard in the studio. We've had a fascinating debate, fierce, you can call it that. But at the end of the day, what's on the voters' mind, no one knows. Thank you for joining us. The News Hour with Navita Kumar on the other side.